Hi, Douglas Simonson here, coming to you from Mexico with a painting demonstration. Today I'm going to be painting Kaimana. Kaimana modeled for me back in my Hawaii days at a secluded beach not far from my home in Honolulu. And if you want to see more images from that photo shoot, you can download the ebook Kaimana from the members only section of my website at douglassimonson.com. This is the image I'm going to be working from, and this is the tweaked version. In case you don't know, I always do a Photoshop tweak or a series of Photoshop tweaks to whatever image I'm working from because it just makes it a lot easier to paint from. What those tweaks do is reduce the details, so that's good. You don't want to be distracted by too much detail, and it reduces the number of colors and makes the color areas a lot easier to see. And those are also the areas of light and dark. So it just makes the image a lot easier to work from. And I will be working from both of these images, the tweaked version and the original version, while I'm painting. The tweaked version of the photo to do a pencil underdrawing before I start painting. And you can see I've outlined the areas of light and dark, which are also the areas of different colors. Okay, time to paint. finished acrylic sketch. I call it Kaimana in the Sun. You can see it now in the members only section of my website at DouglasSimonson.com. And now I've got something special for you because you watched the video all the way through. On the screen is a discount code that you can use to get a 40% discount on any poster from my website. Write it down because this is good for 6 months, from February 24th to August 24th, 2025. You can use this code to get a 40% discount on any poster from my website at DouglasSimonson.com. Just put this code in at checkout and you'll get your 40% discount. Just remember to use it before August 24th. And thank you for watching. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint and maybe picked up some tips. Please subscribe if you haven't already. That encourages me to do more videos. And if you got a little inspired watching me paint today, great! Put on your painting pants and go paint!